Hello everyone, I've started FreeRTOS series and I'll continue with task example. As you may remember, we created two tasks that works on the same time. On this video, I'll show more features about tasks. Let's start the machine. Firstly, let's use task delete function. As we know, task 2 will finish after 5 minutes. So let's delete it after 3 seconds to abandon the finishing of it. From task 1, let's create an integer to count seconds. And when it reaches 3, delete task 2 and let's print it to console. You see, when task 2 sends 3 message, task 1 deleted, so ESP32 didn't reset itself. Let's use suspend and resume function. I'll play with the numbers a little bit. I have increased the limit of task 2 to 10 and on the task 1, task 2 will be suspended after 3 seconds. After 2 seconds, it will be resumed and after 2 seconds, it will be deleted. Make flash it again. You see, task 2 is suspended after 3 seconds. Then it resumed and start working again. And it's deleted. So, these functions used like that. We can suspend, resume or delete a task wherever we want. We can suspend it on app main and resume it on the task. Also, if we write null instead of a handle name, it will use the function for itself. So, if I write null here, task 1 will be suspended. Let's move with an excellent function of FreeRTOS. Xtask get tick count. It's used to determine the time of the application. It gives us a number and its value is 100 times of a second. So let's say C equals to it and change if statements for this. Also, let's add it to printf to see its value. You see, it works great. So, you can get the times with this function. Also, there are some functions may you find useful. I'll use all of them now. Let's write the state of task 2 after each function. And we can use getTaskName function on some applications. Let's use it. So these functions can be used on many examples and they provide huge simplicity for you. For statements, as you can see, 0 is running, 1 is ready, 2 is blocked, 3 is suspended, 4 is deleted, 5 is invalid. So outputs are how we expected. Also, there are some functions that will be used by interrupt. I'll explain this on the next video. Because I'll explain GPIO, interrupt service routine and task functions together. That's all I am going to talk about today. Stay motivated and subscribe me. Let's control the controllers together.